Page 322, this is a lesson on the Mixolydian mode. Remember the modes. We got 7 modes that we're dealing with. We've had major and minor modes, major scales and minor scales. A major scale is an Ionian mode, same difference. And a minor scale is an Aeolian mode. And now we have Lydian mode. So in Lydian mode, if you'll remember, is we raise the 4th step. So if I go to C major and I raise the 4th step, that is C Lydian, because the C is the first note, it's Lydian mode, I raise the 4th step. Another way of looking at this is go to C major, all white keys. The Lydian mode starts on the 4th step of that. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, the 4th step of that should be an F major scale, if I do a major scale. But I'm raising that 4th step up 1 to make it here. And that's Lydian mode. Raise the 4th step. Okay. Keep that in mind. Now we go to Mixolydian mode. Well, again, we go back to C major. Mixolydian mode would be starting on the 5th step of the scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which should be a G major scale, if it's a major scale. Because if I do this, just this, it's Mixolydian. Mixolydian, I can't talk, G Mixolydian. In other words, the 7th step is lowered a half step. See, in Lydian, the 4th step was raised, and Mixolydian, the 7th step is lowered. So if I do a C major and I want to change to a C Mixolydian, I lower the 7th step here. That's C Mixolydian. What we've done is we've taken that whole step, half step pattern, and the last 2, which should be whole step, half step, we've switched them, and now it's a half step, whole step. We'll just switch those around. Remember, all these scales are set patterns of whole steps and half steps. Yeah. And I don't try and remember them or memorize what those are. As long as I know what C major is, I can figure it out because it's all laid out very nicely here. So in the middle of page 322, they have the triads. They just want you to go up diatonically, starting on G, because remember when we do this, starting on G, we're using only white keys. G Mixolydian uses white keys only, and that's here. So you've broken, block, do it in both hands. That's all it's for. We got to get Mixolydian down. We got Lydian, we got Mixolydian, we got Ionian, and we got Aeolian. We got 4 of them. There's only 3 more to go. So hang in there. Now they want you to transpose this at the top of the page. We're here somewhere. I don't care where you're at. They want you to transpose this to C, F, D, and A Mixolydian. Well, just take the major scale and lower the 7th step. C is here. Lower the 7th step is here. C Mixolydian. F Mixolydian is here. An F major scale is here. If I lower the 7th step, here. D Mixolydian is here. If I lower the 7th step, it's here. A Mixolydian is here. If I lower the 7th step, it's here. You see a pattern? See, remember in Lydian mode, we removed a flat or we added a sharp. For instance, in D major, if I want that Mixolydian, I have 2 sharps, I'm going to add a 3rd sharp. I'm going to raise the 4th step, that adds a sharp. So in Lydian mode, we either take away a flat or we add a sharp to the major scale, and that's it. Well, in Mixolydian mode, it's the other way. We're either adding a flat or taking away a sharp. So it's like, go back to G here. G major's here. Mixolydian, I'm taking away the sharp here. Or if I go to B flat here, and I want B flat Mixolydian, I add a flat. And remember the order is the sharps and flats? They're in the same order. They're not, the sharps have an order, it's always the same, and the flats have another order, it's always the same, and it's not the same order, maybe. because the order of the two is actually reverse of each other. So in a way, it's the same order. It's just one goes one way and the other goes the other. Different ways of looking at this so you can choose how you want to be confused. Yeah, that's it.